Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make quick nachos at home. First, gather your favorite tortilla chips, shredded cheese, and any desired toppings like salsa or jalapenos. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. This simple preparation ensures your nachos cook evenly and are ready in no time. Now, arrange a single layer of tortilla chips on your parchment-lined baking sheet. Don't overcrowd them. Give them some space. Evenly sprinkle about 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese over the chips. Feel free to add a layer of cooked ground beef, black beans, or other hearty toppings at this stage. This layering technique ensures every chip gets a good amount of cheesy goodness. Once layered, place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Carefully remove the hot nachos from the oven. Now's the time to add your fresh, cold toppings like a dollop of sour cream, a scoop of guacamole, or a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for extra flavor. Your quick and easy homemade nachos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while the cheese is still warm and gooey. These are perfect for a quick snack, a casual get-together, or even a fun weeknight dinner. They're so simple, you'll wonder why you ever ordered takeout. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy snacking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.